Good afternoon, Professor Alanis and cohort. This is the screencast of my digital portfolio built in design and developing multimedia instruction, course 5320, beginning with why I chose to become an instructional designer. In my daily career, I am an instructional technologist, so I provide coaching and support to teachers on how to effectively integrate technology into their instruction. What that looks like is just supporting and making sure that technology is not being used just to project, but to actually engage students in instruction where they are using the technology to actually learn and build skills and learn content. We have to make a mark, even if it's only a scribble by John Steinbeck. I like that. And sometimes I feel like it's a scribble, but it is my investment in education. So I'm just going to kind of briefly move through this and this that I have created to demonstrate why I have chosen to become an instructional designer. And I want to be able to, of course, make a difference and support instruction and support all learners. Um, in my career, I've worked across the gamut from those striving learners all the way up to um, the gifted and talented students. So I want to make sure that all learners have access to quality instruction. Um, as we move forward, that was in week 2. In week 4, well, in week 3, we looked at the appropriate use, which is what I was just discussing, the appropriate use of multimedia. And we introduced a digital tool. So this is one of the tools that I use with the teachers that I work with. In fact, I'm recently working with PE and fine arts to support their use of Flipgrid for feedback response and discourse building with with their students. I want to go to Module 6 where we analyzed research and constructed a summary about that research. And everything that I've looked at has been really pressing towards the effective use of multimedia in education because I see that as kind of a missing link that we're using technology, but are we using it effectively in instruction? So that summary analysis, as I reflect on that and I think about all of these things, it just helps me to know in my career as instructional designer, ed tech specialist, instructional technologist, that this is where I need to lean into. I need to lean into creating those things that support effective use of technology. And then finally, our DDDE model unit. Um, this unit is, of course, submitted. See if I can download and open the file. And it's just replete with different digital tools and all of those things that support quality digital instruction and instruction across the board for students. So this is my screencast. I know it's a little bit over, maybe a lot bit over, but it's my screencast. Thank you.